Well friends, bfxr is no more because Flash is no more. So switch now to jfxr. It looks a bit weirdly dark, but I'm sure some of you will appreciate it. It is also open source, and not being reliant on Flash, it is even more open source. Let's just start. Beep. And let's just press something. Oh, that was smooth. That was a lucky first pick. We can also rename this, of course. And we can mutate. Okay, good, we can undo. So, just to be safe, let's just, yes, save it by downloading. So let's mutate. What? Oh, what? Wait, what? Oh, this is delightful. Decent. Not bad, not bad. Weird. Okay. Yeah, nice flame sound effect. What? Again, weird. And this is really nice. We can keep a sound library down here. The only thing I don't like is the mutate automatically overwriting the existing one. Alright, let's keep going. No. Meh. Okay. Okay. Not so interesting. Yes, kind of like this. So let's actually play with the details here manually. Oh, very nice, because autoplay is enabled. We can just click on stuff and it will automatically play. Sine, triangle, sawtooth, square, tangent, whistle. Tangent is a new one for me. Whistle is a new one for me. Breaker is a new one for me. White noise, pink noise, brown noise. Let's not interpolate. Actually, it makes it more crispy. This is much better. I like that one. What is that? A laser? Not really. More like a small rocket shoot in an arcade game. Weird. Whatever. Let's see. Flanger. What? Okay, so the autoplay is kind of broken at times. That is too bad. Wow. No. Resetting to default. No amplification frequency. Yeah, let's change the frequencies. And the frequency sweeps. I'm not sure what the delta sweep would be. And can we change the duration? Maybe the sustain? Yeah! Okay. Classic rocket sound. Yeah, the autoplay stuff. Not really that great, unfortunately. Maybe it's better in Firefox. Let me just bring up Firefox. And speaking of Firefox, let's just save all this and try to load it in here. By the way, I control mouse wheeled in to make it bigger. By default, it looks like this. But this is much better. Also, let's use F11 to full screen. So I'm gonna just open my saved stuff. And I just realized apparently it's per sound. Can we save an entire collection? Huh. So what if I wanted to save all these? No, shift selecting doesn't really work. Export? No, not export. Ah, I can duplicate sounds before I mutate them. Now I see. Okay, so this kinda is annoying that we can only open, save, duplicate, link, and export one single sound. The link thing is cool though. What if we click this? Okay, so there's a link, we can copy it. And check out this path. It has all the parameters inside the URL. That's a bit crazy, but cool. Then we can just copy these, save them in a text file, I guess, and also it duplicates it, which is weird. Anyways, back to Firefox. So here we are. Let's play around with values and see if it has this weird double playback, auto playback as in Chrome. Yeah, it's the same problem. Seems to be related to particularly... No, not to particularly short sounds. just any sound. Any sound seems to have a problem. Okay. Anyways, we have a sound I like. Let's export it. And I just save it. Okay, laser shoot over here. There it is. And it is 44.1 kilohertz and 16-bit. Stereo, yeah, clearly this is stereo, right? Let's take a look in Audacity. Oh, this is mono. I had no idea. Which means we can do cool things like, let's make it a stereo track and add some reverb. Nice. Alright, so if I wanted to export multiple, I would just have to click through and click export. Click through and export, click through and export, click through and export, click through and export. Well, it's okay, sure. I really like how non-overly 8-bit these sounds sound like. So let's play with some more sounds. That was cool. Well, as you can see, I'm a friend of random buttons. Okay. What? Can we have some decay? Much better. Meh, okay. Well, let's keep going. Ooh, that nearly sounds like a Half-Life 1 UI sound. Click. Oh, nice. Sounds very retro all again. Nice, nice. Oh, yeah. Very, very bfxr, sfxr. Oh, I see. So if we don't press that, it will create a new sound. Otherwise, it will just overwrite the one we have here. If you want to keep your library clean, I guess that's useful. Anyways, you now know how to do all these things. Oh yeah, I forgot to duplicate, so I can mutate more. Nice. Heh. Well, the only thing I would really like is a redo button and a automatically create a copy on mutate and also a multi-export. So the only 3 things. Anyways, this is jfxr. Hope you have fun with it and make some cool sounds for your game or retro video. Until next time, ciao.